we'll guide you through how to configure Vercel Security Checkpoint. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to the Vercel dashboard by logging into your account. Once you're in, head over to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings area, you'll see a section labeled Security. Click on it to access the Security Checkpoint configuration options. Now, you'll find an option for two-factor authentication. It's a good idea to enable this for added security. Click Enable and follow the instructions to set it up using an authentication app on your phone. This adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a verification code in addition to your password when logging in. Next, scroll down to find API tokens. If you're using Vercel's API, make sure your tokens are up to date and properly scoped to limit access to only what is necessary. You can generate new tokens here if needed. Another important feature is the IP allow list. This feature lets you specify which IP addresses are allowed to access your projects. Click Configure to add IP addresses that you trust. This is particularly useful if you want to restrict access to specific networks. Finally, review any connected services and ensure they have the correct permissions. It's important to regularly review these settings to keep your account secure. Once you've configured everything to your satisfaction, make sure to save your changes. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.